Jasmin Edexcel FPM Mathematics, Chapter 2, Part 4. I have taught in Part 3, solve quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. There is exercise 3, number 1. I have finished, and then I'm doing exercise 2. Exercise 2 has a question A to L. I finish A to D finish. Yeah, D and E finish. F, G, H, I, J, K, L. You should do yourself. Today, now, in part 4, I teach about discriminant. What is discriminant? Discriminant is a formula we can get from quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? Quadratic formula. Okay, quadratic equation is a square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We can solve for this. Solve for x. What do you get? X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Inside square root of b square minus 4ac. From this, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. So, discriminant has a 3 types. When you calculate b square minus 4ac, if you get greater than 0, this quadratic equation has n equal real roots, 2 distinct roots also called, and then b square minus 4ac equal to 0 equal n real root. If you calculate b square minus 4ac, you got less than 0, negative. So there is no real root. Okay, there is 3 types. Okay, you need to remember b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Discriminant have 3 types. Greater than 0, 2 distinct real root. Less than 0, no real root. Equal 0, 2 equal real root. Okay, let's start with example. Example 6. What can you deduce from the values or discriminant of these equations? Find the roots where possible. So, where possible, here you can deduce. So, you can check from this b square minus 4ac you need to find. So, first you have to find a, b, c. Compare quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? A square plus ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. From this, a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 5. Okay, and then you can find discriminant. So b square minus 4ac equal to, what is b? Minus 3. The whole square minus 4 into 8. What is a? A is 2 and c is 5. Minus 3 square is 9. Minus 4 and 2 and 5 multiplication is 40. So what do you get? Minus 31. This is less than 0. That's why there are no real roots. No real roots. Okay, this is 8. Okay, how about B? B is here. How about B? Okay, you can compare with quadratic equation. What do you get? A. A equal to 3. B equal to minus 1. C equal to minus 1. So b square minus 4ac, you can write down discriminant. And then find discriminant, what do you get? B square is minus 1 square, minus 1 the whole square. Minus 4 into A is 3 and C is minus 1. Is equal to 1. Minus minus change to plus. 4 times 3 is 12. So what do you get? 13. 13 is greater than 0. That's why there are two real roots. There are two real. Two real is a distant, no? Two distant real or two and equal real. You can write. Two and equal real root. Real roots. Okay. Yeah. And see, A equal to 3, A equal to 4, B equal to minus 12, C equal to 9. What is discriminant? Discriminant is B square minus 4AC. What do you get discriminant? You need to find. Then ABC plug in. So 4 square is 16 minus 4 into, what is A? A is 4, C is 9. Wait, what do you get? 16 minus 4AC. 4 and 16. 4 for 16. 16 times 4, what do you get? 16 times 4, 144. Okay. 100 or 449. Okay, 144. Okay, what do you get? You can get with minus. That's why this is less than 0. That's why you can write solution. There are no real roots. Oh, what is b square? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Here's something wrong. Okay, I need to fix. B square. What do you get b square? B is minus 12. So minus 12 square, what do you get? 144. Yeah, minus 12 square. Minus 4 is 4 into A is 4, C is 9. What do you get? 144 minus 144 equal to 0. So there are two equal real roots. Two equal real roots. Two equal real roots. Okay. Example 7. Example 7 has a here equation kx squared minus 2x plus 8 equal to 0 has two real roots. What can you deduce about the values of constant k? Okay, here, what is given? Two real roots given. Two real roots mean these two real roots are distance are equal. There is no given. So what do we do here? Two real roots are not equal. Okay. So from this, you can write A equal to 3, B equal to minus 2, C equal to minus 8. So what is this discriminant? Discriminant is B square minus 4AC. But you need to write down given. What do you write? 6. The given equation has The given equation has two real roots. So b square minus 4ac greater than 0. And then you plug in. What do you get? B square is minus 2 square. Minus 4. What is A? A is A. C is minus 8. Greater than 0. Minus 2 square is 4. Minus minus plus. 4 times 8 is 32k. Greater than 0. So we need to move 4 right side. 32k greater than 4. Which 4? Minus 4. K greater than minus 4 over 32. So k greater than minus 1 over 8. So this question in example 4 is you need to find k, constant k. There is a reason, condition, two real roots. That's why you have to use discriminant and you can find k. Okay, here. Example 4, number 1. What is question? Use the discriminant. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac. Determine whether these equations have one root, two roots, or no roots. Okay. Shall we check? Okay, let's check. Which one is real? Which one is two roots? Which one is no root? Which one is one root? Okay, we can check. Okay, so first you need to write down, compare and A, B, C. Okay, write down. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 2, C equal to 1. B square minus 4AC equal to, what do you get? B square is minus 2 square minus 4AC, 4 into 1 into 1. Okay, what do you get? 4 minus 4 equal to 0. What do you get? 1 root. There are two equal real roots of 1 root. You can write here. Okay, next one. What do you get? A equal to 1, B equal to minus 3, C equal to 2. B square minus 4AC equal to, what do you get? 9. Minus 3, the whole square is 9. Minus 4AC, 4 into 2 is 8. What do you get equal to 1? Greater than 0. So there are two real roots. See, A equal to 2, B equal to minus 3, C equal to minus 4. B square minus 4AC, what do you get? Equal to, B square is 9. Minus minus change to plus because C is minus 4. 4 into 4, 2 is 8. 8 for 32. What do you get? 41 is, what do you get? Greater than 0. That's why there are two real roots. Okay, number 2. The equation PA square minus 2x minus 7 equal to 0 has two real roots. Oh, what is condition for two real roots? Two real roots mean B square minus 4AC greater than 0. This one is given. So what can you deduce about the values of P? What do you get? Yeah, first you need to write down A. What is A? A is B. B is -2. C is -7. You need to copy this question first and then compare. Okay, using discriminant. Okay, since the given equation has two real roots, that's why what do we get? B square minus 4AC greater than 0. What is B? B is -2. -2 the whole square, 4. 4AC, 4 into, what is A? A is B. C is -7, so minus plus 7 greater than 0. Okay, what do you? 4 plus 28B greater than 0. 28B greater than -4, B greater than -4 by 28. What do you get? -1 by 7. Okay. And number 3. What is question? The equation 3x squared minus 2x plus equal to 0. Has what is given? Equal roots. Find the values of m. So first you need to copy the equation 3x squared plus 2x plus m equal to 0. You have to write A, B, C. What is A? A equal to 3, B equal to 2, C equal to 1. What is given? Since the given equation has equal roots. So what is discriminant? B square minus 4AC equal to 0. Oh, what is B square? Is 2 square is 4 minus 4AC. 4 into 3 into, what is C? C is M. Okay, into M equal to 0. What do you get? 4 minus 12, M equal to 0. 12M equal to 4. M equal to 4 by 12 is 1 over 3. This number 2, number 3s are very, very important. These are in exam. You need to do carefully. Okay. Another one is understand the roots alpha and beta and how to use them. These are very, very important. In exam, there is a high marks. This question is high mark. Okay. And then this is also very, very easy. Okay. Here, look. Here, this is quadratic equation. We can find from quadratic equation how many solutions? 2 solutions. Okay. These 2 solutions, let 2 solutions are alpha and beta. Okay, there is a here 2 solutions are alpha and beta. This means x equal to alpha, x equal to beta. So how do you find quadratic equation from solution? Okay, yeah, like that. These 2 solution multiplication, we can find quadratic equation. So x minus beta equal to 0. X minus alpha, x minus beta equal to 0. So multiply. This is multiply first x. No? x squared. And then here minus beta x minus alpha x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Okay? A squared. Here minus and x outside. Which one left? Alpha plus beta plus alpha beta equal to 0. Okay? What is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c. So here, from this, we need to do coefficients of a squared must be 1. So we need to divide it by a. What do you get? A squared plus b by ax plus c by a equal to 0. Okay. This one is quadratic equation, or this is also quadratic equation. These are same. So we can compare. So here, x square coefficient is here 1 and 1. What is x coefficient? Yeah, b by a. What is x coefficient? Minus alpha plus beta. So you can write alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Okay. Alpha, what is alpha beta? Alpha beta is c by a. So you can write alpha beta equal to c by a. You need to use this formula. It's very, very important. You don't need to calculate. You can find root easily. Okay. From this, you need to remember this is sum of the roots is minus b by a. Product of the root is c by a. Okay. Example 8, number 1. What is question? The roots of the equations 3a squared 3a squared plus 8x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, we can find first a, b, c. What is a? A is 3 and b equal to 1. C equal to minus 6. Okay. Roots of the equations are, what are these? Alpha and beta. Okay. What is alpha beta? Okay, alpha beta is the solutions of the given equation. So, what is the question? 1a, find an expression for alpha plus beta and expression for alpha beta. You need to remember by heart, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is negative b over a. Here negative. What is b? B is 1, a is 3. Negative 1 over 3. Okay, what is alpha beta? Alpha beta equal to c by a. What is c? C is negative 6. A is 2. 3. What do you get? Negative 2. Okay, for number A, finish. Okay, and then number B, 1B. What is question number B? Question number B is, hence find an expression for alpha square plus beta square and an expression for alpha square beta square. There is a, you need to know formula. Which formula? Here, a plus b the whole square equal to, what do you get? A square plus 2ab plus b square. You need to remember this one. So here, alpha square plus beta square. Okay, what do you get? Alpha square plus beta square means alpha plus beta the whole square equal to, what do you get using this formula? Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Which one you need to find? Alpha square plus beta square equal to, what do you get? Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, we have found alpha plus beta and alpha beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 the whole square minus. What is alpha beta? Alpha beta is minus 2. So 2 into minus 2. What do you get? 1 by 9 minus minus plus 2 to 4. 9 times 4 is 37. 36 plus 1, 37 by 9. This is alpha square plus beta square. Okay. After that, you need to find alpha square beta square. Alpha square beta square means alpha beta the whole square. What do you get? Minus 2 square. What do you get is 4. Okay. So you need to write down here. For this, alpha square plus beta square, alpha square beta square means this is a solution. What are the solutions? Solutions are alpha square and beta square. Okay, from which equation? We don't know. Now we can find C. Quadratic equation with roots alpha square beta square. Okay, now we can write. Okay, this one I erased that, no? I think you remember. Okay, what do you get? What is the quadratic equation? Oh, we have formula, no? Alpha and beta as a roots of the equation. How do you write? A square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Now alpha square and beta squares are solution. How do you write? A square minus alpha square plus beta square x plus alpha square beta square equal to 0. So what do you get? A square minus, what do you get? Alpha square plus beta square is 37 by 9x. And plus alpha square beta square is 4 equal to 0. We need to multiply 9 each time. Okay, what do you get? 9x squared minus 37x plus 36 equal to 0. This is number C. This is number B. Okay. Alpha square and beta squares are from solution of this equation. Okay. And then next question. This is number A. Finished now. These are okay. Now example 9. What is example 9? The roots of the equation x squared plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0 are alpha and beta. Okay. Now this equation solution is alpha and beta. Roots are alpha and beta. Okay. How do you do? So first, we need to write down equation first. A square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Write down A. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 3, C equal to minus 2. Okay, from this equation, solution is alpha and beta. So you can write sum of the root equal to, what is formula? Negative B over A. What do you get? Negative. B is negative 3, A is 1. So what do you get? 3. And then product of the root equal to, what do you get? Negative 2. Okay. This one we can write directly because a square coefficient 1. We don't need to divide. If there is other numbers, we need to divide. And then we need to find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. If there is a coefficient, we cannot find like that. Okay. So alpha beta equal to minus 2. So what do you get? Without finding the values of alpha and beta, find the equations of the root. Okay, A. What is A? 3 alpha, 3 beta. 3 alpha, 3 beta is a root. So we need to do 3 alpha plus 3 beta equal to 3 into alpha plus beta equal to 3 into, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is 3. What do you get? 9. And then, which one need to find? These two addition finish. And then we need to find also multiplication. Okay. And then 3 alpha into 3 beta. What do you get? 9. 3 into 3, 9 alpha beta. 9 into alpha. What is alpha beta? Alpha beta is minus 2. What do you get? Minus 18. Minus 18. Okay. You can write equation now. What do you get? A square minus alpha plus beta. Okay. 2 addition is 9. X. And then plus alpha beta. Alpha beta is minus 18 equal to 0. Okay. For number A, quadratic equation is this. Solution, for solution 3 alpha, 3 beta. Okay. Next question. B. What is solution? Solution is 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. So we need to find addition. First need to find addition. So 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta equal to, what do you get? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Okay. We have found, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is 3. Alpha beta is minus 2. So we can write directly 3 over minus 2. So minus 3 by 2. And then multiplication 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. What do you get? 1 by alpha beta. 1 by, what do you get? Alpha beta. Alpha beta is minus 2. That's why we can write 1 by minus 2. So we can write equation A square minus 2 roots addition. What did you get? Minus 3 by 2, so plus 3 by 2x. And then here plus alpha beta. What do you get? Minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Multiply with 2 both sides. What do you get? 2a square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, how about C? Alpha square, beta square. So we need to find alpha square plus addition first, no? Alpha square plus beta square. How do you find? Formula you need to remember. Alpha plus beta, the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta, the whole square, what do you get? Yeah, alpha plus beta is 3. Alpha beta is minus 2. So 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. Minus 2 alpha beta, 2 into. What is alpha beta? Alpha beta is minus 2. So what do you get? 9 minus minus change to plus. 2 to 4. 9 plus 4 equal to 13. And then addition, after addition, we need to find multiplication. Alpha square, beta square. This means alpha beta, the whole square. So alpha beta square means minus 2 the whole square. What do you get for? Okay, write down equation. X square minus sum of addition is what you get, 13. X plus alpha beta is 4 equal to 0. This is required solution. This is exercise 5. Number 1. Exercise 5 has 3 problems. Okay. First, what is the question? The roots of the equation x squared plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 are alpha and beta. Find an equation whose roots are a and b given. Okay, first we need to find alpha plus beta, basic equation, basic. Okay, what do you get? Yeah. What is equation? A squared plus 5x plus 2 equals 0. You need to write down A equal to 1, B equal to 5, C equal to 2. There is a 2 solutions are alpha, beta. First addition, alpha plus beta. We need to check now, but there is a 1. Yes, 1. That's why we can write down like, okay. So alpha plus beta, what do you get? Negative B over A. Negative B is 5, A is 1, negative 5. Okay, alpha, beta, what do you get? C over A. What is C? 2. A is 1. So 2, yeah. No? 2. Okay. Alpha plus beta and alpha, beta, we have found. Okay, what do you need to find? Number A. Okay, number A. Number A roots are 2 alpha plus 1 and 2 beta plus 1. So first we need to find sum of their roots. So 2 alpha plus 1 plus 2 beta plus 1 need to sum. What do you get? 2 into alpha plus beta plus 2. Okay. We have found alpha plus beta minus 5. So 2 into minus 5 plus 2. What do you get? Minus 10 plus 2. What do you get? Minus 8. And then multiply, no? Multiplication of the roots. 2 alpha plus 1. 2 beta plus 1. Multiply. What do you get? 4 alpha beta plus 2 alpha. Yeah, 2 beta plus 1. Okay. So, yeah. Yeah, what do we get? Addition is for alpha beta plus 2 alpha, 2 you can outside, 2 into alpha plus beta plus 1. Okay, we copy another page. So what do you get for alpha beta? Two alpha plus beta plus 1, right? Check. For alpha beta, 2 alpha plus beta plus 1. Okay. Okay, what do you get for alpha beta? What do you get? Here, check. Alpha beta is, what do you get? Alpha beta is 2. Alpha beta is 2. Alpha plus beta is minus 1. Okay. Alpha beta is 2. Alpha plus beta is minus 1. Alpha beta is 2. Alpha plus beta is minus 5 plus 1. What do you get? 8 minus 10 plus 1. What do you get? This is minus 1. So you can write equation now. X squared minus sum of the roots. What do you get? Sum of the roots. Minus 8. So you can write minus minus plus 8x. So minus 8x. And product of the roots. Product of the roots is, yeah, minus 1. Equals 0. What do you get? A squared plus 8x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this is number 1A. Okay, and then you can find 1B. B is alpha, beta, and alpha square, beta square. There is a 2 rules are like that, no? 2 rules are like that. So first you need to add these 2 roots. Okay, find it alpha, beta, and alpha square plus beta square. This is number B. Number B, alpha, what is question? Question is alpha, beta, and alpha square, beta square. So first you need to add addition first. Alpha, beta plus alpha square, beta square. What do you get? You get outside. Alpha, beta outside. What do you get? 1 plus alpha, beta. Alpha, beta you have found here minus 2. Alpha, beta is 2 and alpha plus beta is minus 5. But you need to remember. Okay. So alpha, beta is 2. So what do you get? 2 into 1 plus 2. What do you get? 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, addition. After addition, we need to find multiplication. 2 roots multiplication, alpha, beta into alpha square, beta square. What do you get? Alpha cube, beta cube. This is mean alpha, beta, the whole cube mean 2 cube. 2 cube, what do you get? 8. So you can write for this equation, x squared minus sum of the root is, what do you get? 6. X plus products of the root is 8 equal to 0. This is your equation. Okay. Next question. Number 2. What is number 2? The roots of the equation x squared plus 6x. X squared plus 6x plus 1. X squared plus 6x plus 1 equals 0. You need to write ABC. A equal to 1. Okay, this is 1. B equal to, what do you get? C, 6. C equal to 1. Okay. First, we need to write, alpha beta first. So alpha plus beta equal to negative B over A. Negative B is 6, A is 1. What do you get? Negative 6. And then alpha beta, what do you get? C by A. C by A equal to, what is C? C is 1, A is 1, alpha beta is 1. Okay. Okay, basics for alpha beta on base now. And then you need to find the equation. Find an equation whose roots are alpha plus beta, alpha plus 3, beta plus 3. First, you need to find addition. Alpha plus 3 plus 4A, beta plus 3. So what do we get? Alpha plus beta plus 6. Alpha plus beta, what do you get? Negative 6. Plus 6, what do you get? 0. Alpha plus beta is equal to 0. And then you need to multiply alpha plus 3 and beta plus 3 multiply. You can multiply with FOIL, F-O-I-L. F-O-I-L means first, outer, inner, less. You can multiply like that, no? So first, what do you get? Alpha beta plus 3 alpha plus 3 beta plus 9. What do you get? Alpha beta plus 3 into alpha plus beta plus 9. What do you get? Alpha beta. Alpha beta is minus 6. Oh, no. Alpha beta is 1. Alpha beta is 1 plus 3 into alpha plus beta is minus 6 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. 3, 6 minus 18. What do you get? Negative 8. So you can write equation. How do you write? The required equation is a squared minus sum of the root. What do you get? Sum of the root is 0. So 0. 0x, no? And then product of the root is minus 8 equals 0. So what is solution? Solution is here a squared minus 8 equal to 0. This is required equation for A. Okay. After that, we have to do B. Okay, we need to copy here. Which one? Alpha plus beta minus 6, alpha beta 1. Alpha plus beta minus 6, alpha beta 1. Okay. Question. What is question? Alpha by beta, beta by alpha. Now we need to find for this equation. So alpha by beta, beta by alpha. Alpha by beta, beta by alpha. So alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Sum of the root first. No? Alpha beta equal and alpha square plus beta square. Okay, multiply now. Product of the roots. Alpha beta into beta by alpha. What do you get? 1. This is very easy. So here, okay. Alpha square plus beta square. How do you find? This is formula I need to remember. Alpha plus beta, the whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. What do you get? Alpha plus beta is 36. Minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha beta is 1. It's minus 2. Alpha beta is 1. What do you get? Sum of the root is 34. Product of the root is 1. So what do you get? The required equation is a square minus sum of the root is 34x. Product of the root is 1 equal to 0. This is required solution. Okay, now number 3. Oh, you need to write down or copy given equation. Okay, this equation copy. What do you get? X squared minus x minus 1 equal to 0. And then what do you get? What do you do? Coefficient a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 1. Okay, and then alpha and beta are roots of this equation. That's why sum of the roots. Basically you will define alpha plus beta. What do you get? Alpha plus beta is negative b over a. Negative 1 over 1. What do you get? 1. And then alpha beta equal to, what do you get? C by a. You get minus 1 over 1 equal to minus 1. Okay, we have found sum of the roots and products of the roots. Okay, and then what do we need to find? Find an equation whose roots are a. What is a? A is 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. That's why we need to find sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta by alpha beta. What do you get? Alpha plus beta? 1. Alpha beta is minus 1. That's why this is minus 1. And then multiply 1 by alpha, 1 by beta multiplication. What do you get? 1 over alpha beta. 1 by minus 1 equal to minus 1. So the required equation is a square minus sum of the root minus plus x. And then product of the root, what do you get? Minus 1. Minus 1 here, minus 1. Okay. Alpha plus beta is 1. Minus b by, b is minus 1, minus plus 1. Okay, this is 1. Okay. And then alpha beta, c by a, c is minus 1, a is 1 minus 1. Okay. And then what do you get? 1 by minus 1. So a squared plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. After this, okay. And number B, 3b. 3b also like that. We have to find. How do you find that? What is equation? Equation is like that. We have to remember alpha plus beta is 1. Alpha beta is minus 1. We need to remember. Alpha beta is minus 1. Okay. And then what do we need to find? Alpha by alpha plus beta, beta by alpha plus beta. Okay, sum of the root. What do you get? Same base. Alpha plus beta by alpha plus beta. Huh? Sorry. This is negative uy. You need to find that. Negative uy. What do you get? Oh, no, negative uy. You really do. And just plug in. Sorry for that. Okay, this one you can add. What do you get? Alpha plus beta by alpha plus beta. Number 3b. Okay, what do you get? 1. And then multiply. Multiply means alpha by alpha plus beta multiply beta by alpha plus beta. This is also easy. Alpha beta by alpha plus beta, the whole square equal to alpha beta is minus 1. Alpha plus beta is 1. 1 square is 1. What do you get? Minus 1. So for that group, the required equation is a square minus sum of the root is 1. So x. And then product of the root is minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. This is the end of the chapter 2. And then after that, I will do past paper for chapter 2. This alpha beta, sum of the root, product of the root. These are very easy problem in textbook. In exam, not easy like that. Okay. Or we will see next lecture. Okay. Bye. Thank you very much.